So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make iPhone speak when charging. So for this, we will use the Shortcuts app. First of all, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now here, tap on Automation. After this, tap on New Automation. Now scroll down and select Charger. And then select Run immediately. After this, tap on Next. Now here, search for Speak Text and select it. Now in the text box, type text you want your iPhone to speak. For example, let's say charging. Once done, tap on Done. Now, tap on Done again. After this, go back to home screen. And now, let's check it. For this, let's connect the iPhone to the charger.
Charging.
And as you can see here, the iPhone speaks when charging. So this is how you can make your iPhone speak when charging. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.